We're Rich and Susan Lusk from Mars, PA.
They had done our kitchen remodeling a couple of years ago, and we were extremely pleased with that work. Casey is nice, very nice to work with, the owner, and he makes the process really simple and easy. And we liked him. He even wrote us a thank you note after he gave us the initial bid, which we thought was very impressive.
One of the things that was interesting with Missy, our designer, was she picked out a cabinet color and a closet color that we never would have thought of. And it turns out it's a perfect fit. You know, from the very beginning, they told us how much this was going to cost, and they were very honest and upfront from the very beginning, and they didn't deviate from that. And the final cost ended up to be what the original estimate was. Thank you. You delivered on what you told us you were going to deliver on. I'm very happy. It's a wonderful shower, and thank you.
Yes, I would say the same thing. Thank you, Pittsburgh's Best, for making our bathroom remodeling dreams come true.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.
Dreams?
Yeah.
Remodeling dreams?
Sure, it was a dream. It was your dream to have a nice big shower.
Man, that's corny.
I don't care.